Naglabas ng kanyang pahayag ang BINI member na si Aya tungkol sa usapin sa privacy at ng kanyang mga kagrupo. Ayon dito, masaya naman daw siya na makita at makapagpa-picture sila sa kanilang mga tagahanga. Ngunit sana naman daw maisip din ng ilang tao lamang din sila na kailangang respetohin. Sa mahabang statement ni Aya, nilabas nito ang kanyang saloobin hinggil sa mainit na isyu ngayon na pinag-uusapan sa nangyari sa kanilang bakasyon matapos ang 3 araw nilang concert. Ayon kay Aya, "Hi everyone, I've been active lately in social media and haven't been very responsive to messages, even from some of my family and friends. The truth is, a lot of things have been happening lately and I just needed some time and space to process them. I appreciate and I'm grateful to everyone who has been so kind, understanding, and patient with me. I am blessed to have people like them, and I hope we can continue to have eyes that can see the good, mouths that can speak what's right, and ears that can listen and understand. I also want to take this opportunity to speak up about my recent trip to Cebu, where I went home in the hopes of distressing, relaxing, and enjoying my time with family and friends. I got to band with them, and I was extremely happy to do so. However, there were still times when other people would not understand the need for privacy and personal time. Some would directly run up to me, grab a photo, even while I was eating, post it in real time, use my face and post it on pages or places for the sake of clout and publicity without my consent. And worse, some would even include the real-time location, which I didn't think is safe. Don't get me wrong, I like taking pictures with others and I enjoy meeting people who are as passionate as we are in the world of music and entertainment. It also warms my heart to hear and see people slowly learning more about me and my group, BINI. But I just hope that people also see and respect us as human beings. We don't always get to go out lately because we have been busy with work, and the least we can ask is for others to respect our personal time and our humanity. Lastly, I also want to remind everyone to be kinder with their words and actions, especially when expressed online. You never know how much it could take a toll on somebody and affect them on a daily basis. I hope we can fill this world with love, respect, and positivity." Well said, Aya. Very well said. It seems that them being the nation's girl group is not only driven by their music and popularity, but also how they act and represent women in general. Love her more dahil dito, I love how she's still kind despite sa lahat ng nangyari sa kanila. Sana matauhan na yung mga taong ginagamit lang sila for clout. Aya is too kind and full of positivity. She's definitely a gem. Just because they are celebrities, it doesn't mean they can't live a normal life anymore. Dapat talaga people should respect their private time and allow them to live a normal life. To be honest, this is really well done. She is the eldest. She definitely knows how to hold the fort for the group when needed, and she should it here. Love to see it. Hope people take it to heart and give them their personal space. I felt that she's speaking on behalf of the group. If there is one person who can handle the role of spokesperson, I can definitely say Aya is a perfect fit. This is why we love it when the girls speak up. They set boundaries, spell out the behavior they expect from fans or casuals, and make it known na disappointed sila. Ang daming natamaan sa statement. Yung bar na yon, sana mahiya kayo. Love how she didn't acknowledge the insincere apology. Ang laman talaga ng statement ni Aya, grabe, I hope the world will always be kind to you, our dear Aya. We are here for you and to protect you, to protect BINI. The fact na si Aya una naglabas ng statement about this, very ate talaga. I hope you're okay. The fact that this was raised on national TV and the Bini has posted their official statement was more than enough. We have made our point. But I just hope the people also respect us as human beings. This is such a powerful statement from Aya. I hope everyone, not just in this app, can read this. Mahal ka namin and we are always here for you and the girls. Basta kami mga blooms ay proud na proud sa'yo. You are strong women. Believe kami sa statement mo. Kahit ano pang sabihin ng mga taong di naman fans, we will always support you and other Bini members. Sobrang pure ni Aya, based sa statement niya, mafe-feel mo kung gaano siya kabuting tao talaga. I really admire her. Sana mag-take down notes yung mga coops. Boycott din sa akin mga establishment na nagre-reveal ng location nila without their consent. Akala nila they'll gain more clients by cloud chasing. Doon na lang ako sa mga small local business kapag nagbakasyon din ako dyan. They should learn from Alpas. Boundaries, consent, at respect. Yan talaga nakakahiya na need pa ma-remind yung mga ganyang bagay na dapat common naman sa ating lahat. Anyway, so proud of Aya. Di madali i-open up yung ganto given their status sa industry, but she still did. Been asking myself what would I do if I see all 8 of them in person. Of course, kilig deep inside. And all but yes, a decent hi and hello will do the trick. Ask for an autograph on the ladies and if nag-say ng yes, then sige, tapos picture will then the same time. Hoping na may letter na ako na prepared for our girl group para maibigay ko sa kanila yung full thoughts ko for them. Just like everyone na may personal space and gusto rin ng time off from work and spend time with family. Sila din deserving ng ganyan. Thank you Aya for speaking up and for the group na din. Thank you na din for being there ate.